ICDS, or the Integrated Child Development Services, is one of India's leading response strategies for addressing challenges around health, nutrition, and early childhood development. Being a universal program targeted at pregnant and lactating mothers, children up to and under the age of 6, and more recently, adolescent girls, its design and mandate recognizes that solutions lie in interventions that address the needs of these constituent groups. Provision of a daily nutritional food supplement is a critical component of the ICDS. Earlier, the government used to either distribute wheat and rice or contract the production of food to a private entity. Lately, however, civil society action, supported by directives of the Supreme Court, has brought an emphasis on decentralized production of the supplementary food using women's self-help groups and mothers' committees in the villages. The Global Alliance for Improved Nutrition, or GAIN, the Department of Women and Child Development, Government of Rajasthan, and the executing agency, the UN World Food Programme, have established the Banswara unit, which is the first among 7 such units that seeks to demonstrate at a measurable scale a viable economic and operational model that satisfies the policy intentions of the government. With a capacity to produce 1 metric ton per day of fortified blended food, this unit operates for 300 days in a year and caters to about 10,000 beneficiaries. The supplementary food is produced under the label Raj Nutrimix and is a blend of roasted and pulverized wheat, full-fat soya and chana dal, to which micronutrients such as vitamins and minerals are added. This model combines 2 potentially transformational interventions: quality-assured supplementary food delivered through a decentralized mechanism, as well as the generation of sustainable employment for rural women coming from poor households. One of the aims of this intervention is to consolidate the local SHG network and get women members to go beyond the usual micro-lending or making of agarbattis, pickles and papads. This seems to have been achieved in the Banswara unit. The 12 members of the local Shitala Mata Women's Self-Help Group supervise and run the operations of this unit.
सुपरवाइजर ने समूह गठन करने का बोला। कार्यकर्ता आसन दोनों मिलकर एक गठन बनाया हमने समूह का। इसमें फिर हम 10 महिला वो भी बीपीएल का कहा था। बीपीएल हो एपीएल हो कोई भी हो, पर समूह गठन एक करना आवश्यक है, यूँ बोला। तो हमने एक समूह गठन किया।
मीटिंग में समझाया कि ऐसे ऐसा काम है, कम करो नहीं करो, हम पूछाया। इसके बाद से सब पूछ लिया, सब हाँ कर लिया।
हमने ट्रेनिंग भी ली मशीनों के बारे में। 15 दिन तक ट्रेनिंग ली, वो सिखाने वाले आए थे।
The raw materials, with the exception of wheat and micronutrients, are procured locally and the production process is mechanized. Local production ensures an uninterrupted supply of food that is nutritive and quality assured.
इसके खाने से जो वजन नियमित बढ़ नहीं रहा था और अभी हमारे कुपोषण नियंत्रण कार्यक्रम चला था, उसमें सभी बच्चों का हमने सर्वे अनुसार जो भी बच्चे हैं इन सभी का वजन करके 5 साल तक के सभी की ग्रोथ मॉनिटरिंग की है। उसमें पहले हमारे 2008 में वजन करके जो ग्रोथ मॉनिटरिंग करी थी उसमें अति कुपोषित बच्चे इस परियोजना में 600 आए थे और हमारी परियोजना में तो 35 बच्चे ही आए हैं अभी अति कुपोषित में।
The women members working in the unit earn at the same daily rate as they would under the National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, and that too for 300 days in a year.
फर्क तो आया, अच्छा रह गया। वो जिनका भी अच्छा रहे, पहरा अच्छा, जिनका पहरा जूता भी पहरा अच्छा, वो खाना पीना भी बच्चा बना अच्छा खा अच्छा रहे। वो तो पहले करते थे, पर अभी तो बाकी बना, बाकी मकान बनावा अच्छा, बाकी सोना पढ़ावा है।
रेंट सेंट तो अच्छा है, हमारे घर में पैसे आए तो बच्चों को भी पढ़ा सकते हैं, हम भी अच्छी व्यवस्थित रहते हैं, वो खाना पीने में भी अच्छा है, हमारा घर भी अच्छा चल रहा।
Besides being fully responsible for all operations of the unit, the women are also managing the banking activities. The self-help group has gone beyond its mandate of financial empowerment to provide societal benefits to the members such as insurance policies and are now active within the local Panchayati Raj system.
और आगे रिपोर्ट देके और हमारे घर के पास ये फैक्ट्री ले जाएंगे और काम करेंगे.
Banswara offers a picture of hope today. Children going to school, happier mothers and healthier families that endorse our belief that low-cost interventions through nutrition actually pay invaluable dividends for generations to come. The future of children like Roshni appears brighter and secured. A healthy and caring environment is nurturing their childhood and weaving dreams for a prosperous future.